What's going on, brother? Day 2 of Rev. We got the guys in the car. This is Evic Swamp Sniper here. He's better than Airsoft GI Swamp Sniper. That was dumb. Yeah.
Right to exit 291B, US 17 South, State Route 168 South, Elizabeth City.
Not another.
And
I can't do this anymore, Navrich.
If you want to see my new product, it is on the website. I know there's no reason in talking about it because it's already going to be the best, and you know it because my product is the best, and so go buy it.
Is it? No.
Pre-order. Yeah, more on that later.
Hey guys, so as you may have noticed, this video is not very long, and that is because we actually did not get a ton of footage for you guys. Out of the footage that we did get, there was a lot of walking around and talking, which is really the majority of what you do at Rev. Rev is a post-apocalyptic themed kind of airsoft LARP. It's very heavy role-playing. You get out there, they've got assigned NPCs that guide you through quests and stuff. They give you side missions, all sorts of stuff. It's really fun. If you guys want to learn more about Rev, I'll have some links to Ballahack and Swamp Sniper's actual videos about Rev. But what I wanted to talk about is the fact that we're going to be uploading on this channel starting now. This is our first upload. We're going to try to be uploading a few times a month. We're getting a group together. We'll be playing at our local field about once a month and get a bunch of footage for you guys and upload it throughout the rest of the month. But yeah, just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know we'll have more videos coming. Thank you for checking us out. Please, I guess, subscribe, like the video, all the standard YouTube stuff. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
Bobby, who has
Stay to the left, escape Route 168
That's
South.
5 videos. Down. What? Alright, that's good.